Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K. We'll start with the absolute basics to get you comfortable on the court. You'll learn how to move your player, shoot the ball, and make simple passes. Mastering these foundational controls is crucial for any aspiring player. We'll also cover essential defensive actions like stealing and blocking. With a few minutes of practice, you'll be ready to jump into your first game. Now, let's dive into mastering your offense. Effective scoring involves more than just shooting. It's about smart playmaking. Learn to use the pick and roll, a powerful two-player action, to create open shots or driving lanes. Focus on precise passing to set up your teammates for easy scores. Develop a versatile shooting arsenal, from close-range layups to long-range three-pointers, to keep defenders guessing. Controlling the game's pace is key to consistent scoring. Defense is half the game, and dominating it can turn the tide. Learn to apply constant on-ball pressure, making it difficult for your opponent to dribble or pass. Timing is everything when attempting to block shots or steal the ball, so practice those moments. Crashing the boards for rebounds is vital to prevent second chance points. Understanding your defensive assignments and rotating correctly will shut down even the best defenses, leading to more wins for your team. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in the training modes to hone your shooting, dribbling, and defensive timing. Familiarize yourself with different player abilities and team playbooks. This knowledge gives you a significant edge. Don't hesitate to adjust game settings to find what works best for your playstyle. Watching tutorials and professional gameplay can also provide valuable insights, helping you elevate your game to the next level. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.